Hello everybody, this is Alexandra and this is my Module 3 explain video for arrays and tracing code. In this video, I'm going to trace code that utilizes an array and then I'm going to draw a memory map. So this is a method that I wrote in picture.java and it's called increaseBlue. As you can see in the comments, it's basically a method to increase the blue in a photo by a factor of 2. And it's going to do this by looping through all the pixels in an array. It will get the blue value of each pixel, double the blue value, and then set the new value to each current pixel. So that's how the method works. So we're going to go ahead and start drawing the memory map. The first step to a memory map is dividing the page in two and organizing by simple and complex memory. We are going to start by inspecting line 94. So we see the object pixel array, which is an array being declared. So what we're going to do is draw a box for it in simple memory. Next, we see that pixel array is assigned to this .getPixels. So getPixels is a method that returns a 1D array of pixels. So we'll go ahead and represent that array down here in complex memory. I've thrown some fake RGB values in there so that we can trace the code. Next, we're going to go ahead and inspect line 95. This is a value being declared as an integer, which is a primitive type, so that also belongs in simple memory. Since it's being initialized at 0, we went ahead and drew 0 in the box. Next, we're going to go down to line 99 and look at the for each loop, and we also see the object pixel object being declared as type pixel. So I'm also going to draw a box for that in simple memory. We're also going to draw a line from pixel object down to the first pixel in the array because this is the pixel we're going to start with. And since it's a for each loop, it's going to loop through every pixel before it's done executing the code. Next, we'll be going through the code inside the for each loop. So first we'll look at line 102. Value equals pixelobj.getBlue. So that means we're going to come over here to the memory map, and in the first pixel, because we're starting at 0, we're going to look at the blue value, which is what getBlue means. So we see that it's 60. In that case, we're going to cross out the 0 in value and replace it with 60. Next, line 104, double the blue value. So here it is being doubled. 60 times 2 is 120. In line 106, we're going to set blue to the pixel object. So basically setting the blue value to this new value here. So we'll cross that out and write 120. Next, we're moving on to this second pixel in the array. We see that the blue value here is 120. So instead of 60, now the value is 120. We're going to double that as well. So we see that 120 doubled is 240. Per line 106, we're going to set the blue value at 240. Now we're looking at this pixel. So we see that the blue value is 100. We'll cross out this value and place 100 in the value box. So 100 times 2 is 200. And we'll go ahead and replace this value here. So lastly, we're looking at this pixel and we see that the blue value is 80. So once again, we'll write 80 up here. So that's the value. We'll double it and we'll replace it here. So this is the memory map here completed, and it just helps you kind of make sense of the code and think about what every variable is there to do. The last thing I want to do in this video is just compile and run my program. So here I've decided to use my purple flower picture. I'll compile and then run. So this is the photo before, and this is the photo when you increase the blue. Thanks so much for watching.